Haven't we all wished for a magical interface where you can draw a deployment architecture like you would on paper and click a button and it just works? Let me show you how you can do that using Visual Cloud. I have a project named Survey App. I'm going to add a testing environment to this project. I will choose a region where I want the environment to be set up, say Singapore. I'll pick a key pair that I've already set up on AWS so I can SSH into my servers later on. Lastly, I pick a security group for the environment, which is just a set of access rules, and this will be applied to all the servers in the environment. We are now in the testing environments page. I can draw the deployment architecture for my testing environment by dragging the cloud resources from the palette on the left and dropping them on the stage on the right. I will need just one Rails application server for the testing environment. So I will drop one Rails instance on the stage. Doing so opens the configuration window for the Rails instance. I want a medium instance for this environment. I also want a MySQL database server in the environment. So I will drop an RDS instance on the stage and configure it. If I want the RDS instance to be highly available by making it multi-AZ enabled, all I have to do is check the multi-AZ checkbox. That's all I need for the testing environment, so I will click on Save. I want a production environment too, along with the existing testing environment. I will click on Replicate and fill in the details for the new environment. Now we can see that the production environment is an exact replica of the testing environment. Since my production environment has to serve more requests, I will modify the existing RDS instance type to large and add another medium-sized Rails instance to the environment. I will also add an elastic load balancer instance on the stage. Next, I will add the Rails app servers to the load balancer. I also want an S3 bucket for storing the user uploaded files for the production environment. So, I will drop an S3 instance on the stage. If I want the objects in the buckets to be served out of CloudFront, all I need to do is check the Serve with CloudFront checkbox. I am done with the production environment, so I will click on Save. I am ready to deploy this stack in the cloud, so I will click on Provision. The stack is being created and it will be available soon. Meanwhile, we can see what's happening behind the scenes in the AWS console. We can see that all of the instances that we added to the stack are created and grouped together in a CloudFormation stack. Once the stack is ready, you can see that the status icon of our environment turns green. I want to know the public DNS of my Rails instances. I'll click on the instances and I can see the details in the dialog boxes. From the green icon on the Rails instance, I know it is running now. I will open its dialog box and click on Stop. We can see in the AWS console that the instance has been stopped. I'll bring the instance back up. That's it for a really short intro to Visual Cloud. Thanks for watching.